Hi Rich, so I'm Wynn from Digital Energy Web Services, and I'm sending you this video that I promised you I would so you can get more business. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your website to be discovered more on Google, bring in more business, and create more revenue. So I see that you did just start out this business and you have a landing page here. I would like to see a lot more content on your website because to Google, content is king. This is one of the tools that I use is SEO Quake. It is a free tool. As you can see, you only have about 69 words. I'd like to see anywhere from about 12 to 1,500 words of content on your website. So now we're going to go look at a few other things that's going to get you more business. This is Ahrefs. It is pretty pricey, but it's a great tool. It shows me a lot about websites. Now, since you're just starting out, you don't have any information on here yet. But it'd be very easy over time to be able to bring these numbers up. And let me show you your major competitor here. So I just put in home remodeling in Flint, Michigan, since that's where you're closest to, I believe. And this is Motor City Builders. They have a nice website. This is more what I would like to see for you. It lists all their services. It has a gallery, contact, testimonials. And of course, these are all things that we would be building up over time for you. Now, the great news is that they only have 775 words of content. So where I normally recommend 1,500, I could see you doing more like 12. But we definitely want to have it up higher because people start realizing that you're moving in on their business. They're probably going to start moving up on their websites also. So now let's go ahead and go look at Ahrefs. Motor City Builders. So here we have backlinks with referring domains, and all a backlink is where you have a link on someone else's website pointing back to your website, and it transfers power over from their website to yours. The more trust that you have with Google, or the more trust they have with Google, it also transfers over to your website. The next thing we're going to talk about is keywords. We're just talking about content, and in that content, you want to actually have search-specific, area location-specific keywords that people are looking for in your content. You want to have about one keyword for every 100 words of content you have on your web page. So here we have like Motor City Construction. We also have General Contractor, Flint, Michigan. On the Motor City Builders, we can see that they're in the #1 position, which is bringing them probably about at least 15 to 20 calls a month or clicks on their website, either way you want to look at it. How much would that just affect your business alone, just if we could get the Motor City Builders? If not any of these other great keywords here, I could really see you having quite a bit of business here in the next few months if you want to implement these things. The last thing that we're going to talk about is citations. And all citation is your name, address, and phone number in different directories all over the web. We have Super Yellow Pages, we have Yelp. There's also a lot of different general contracting websites that you can get your name, address, and phone number onto. And those really help with Google My Business or the Google Map Packs. And it's one of the easiest ways to get onto the first page of Google. So today we talked about the content, keywords, backlinks, and citations. If you implement these things today, you can be on the first page of Google very quickly. And either you can do this yourself, which I'm totally cool with, or we can have a discussion in a chat and see if maybe we'd be a good fit for each other and I could help you. So I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much, and I look forward to chatting with you later.